Hi YouTube, today we're opening this dinosaurs.
Yay! So we're gonna open up some dinosaurs, and they were sent to us by Tuko Toys on Amazon. Okay, so the first one we're going to open is a Dinosaur Truck carry case. I'll put all the other ones to the side. Are you ready? What do you have so far?
These dinosaurs in this big old truck.
Ooh, so there's a dinosaur, purple dinosaur.
You don't know what's in here.
Whoa!
And there's more on the other side.
Oh my gosh! Whoa! Do you see that?
Yeah.
Whoa! So it's like a whole truck full of dinosaurs. You probably have to flip it around. Oh yeah, look, you flip it and you open it. Okay. Wow. So what's in? What did it come with? What did it come with?
And these
What is it? What are those? Dinosaur eggs? You gonna open the other side though? Did you open both sides? So it's a Dino top truck. And then it has the little storage on each side.
That's the golden one.
Let me see. Wow. So how many dinosaurs did it come with? Let's see. So there's one right here. One right here. So there's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then there's little ones. Oh, and it came with like a little fence and the little trees. So you could set up your whole little dinosaur. Oh, and then it also came with 2 big ones. So it came with this big.
I get it.
It came with this big green one. And then it came with this. Oh, do you connect it? And then it came with this purple one.
You connected. I connected one.
So there's 10. There's 10 of these little ones, and then 2 with the little egg, and then the 2 little trees. That's pretty neat to add to your dinosaur collection. What do you think?
Okay. And
we'll put the link down below in the description if you're interested in purchasing any of these. So what are you putting it all together?
Yeah, I'm putting it together. It does, I'm putting it together.
Oh yeah, it does. It just hooks. It just hooks on.
And like that one. And then, actually not.
Oh,
Then
here's the
that.
other pieces. So that's what the box looks like. This is Dinosaur Series Truck Carrying Case, Tuko.
They have this golden one. That's a golden one.
Wow. That's...
Nom, 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 nom.
So put them all back in here.
Look.
Okay. So then everything just kind of fits snug in. You can just throw them all in. So we put everything in the case. Except for the 2 big dinosaurs. But that's cool, so then you could just bring it with you. And it has a little handle. So you can just like hold it and then bring it with you in the car or traveling, which is pretty cool. And then it actually goes. Pretty neat, huh? That's a neat gift. Yes, it actually drives. So this one is, which is it? It's a dinosaur, it's a TRex. And it says 6+. Are we ready to open it and see what he does? I don't know what he does. Let's see. Woo. Let's see. Oh, wow, he's huge. Oh, and he has a little remote too. Okay, so let's get him out the box.
Ta-da, we got out of the box.
Okay, so we put 3 batteries in the little tail. You got it on snap it? You gotta snap it on. Okay, we snapped him in. And then we put 2 batteries in the remote. Whoa, he walks.
I'm controlling him.
You're controlling him? Wow, so he like, oh, he does music. Wow. So what else does he do? So he moves. Does he go backwards?
And his back lights up, and right here lights up.
Oh, wow.
You press the button like this.
So let me see the remote. So you have the stop button that stops him, and then that makes him go forward. That has advance. And what does that do?
You're taking him back.
Whoa. Oh, there's a button that makes him roar. Roar. What do you think? So that's pretty cool. So that one is 6 for 6 plus. Woo! He fell. He fell. And then this is his back. So he lights up. This one.
And his mouth and his tongue.
Wow. Whoa. Woo! Oh, and then you could stop him. It's a pretty.
Froze.
You made him freeze?
Yeah.
Oh, and he's just lighting up. That is neat. That's a neat dinosaur.
Why does he have... First, why does he have green eyes?
I don't know. That's how they made him, with green eyes.
They should make him with the red eyes.
No, green's cool.
The red eyes is weird.
Look at him. He lights up.
And the next one.
Okay, you want to move on to the next one? Okay.
This one.
Okay, so here's the next one that we're gonna open, and it says the TRex Dinosaur Family, realistic dinosaur sounds while walking. Dinosaur's eyes and tongue will glow. So, are you ready to take this one out the box?
Uh-huh.
Okay, take it out the box. Ooh, he's a big one. Okay, let's put batteries in him. Got the batteries. Wow. So he moves.
Let me compare them.
Can you compare them? So which one's bigger?
This one is more.
That one's bigger?
Actually,
Okay.
this head is more bigger than this one.
Oh, I think he has a bigger. Okay, so what does he do? So you turn him on with the little switch, and then he just goes.
Why did it stay down? Whoa!
Uh-oh, the battery's too much. So what do you think? Do you love them?
Uh-huh. Little baby T-Rex. Little baby T-Rex is right there. That one's there.
Let's come into the baby T-Rex. You got two mean dinosaurs.
What was that?